Welcome to another Yaad events. Today we are at the final year visual arts exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you know me, you know I love art. So stick around and see what these talented students have in store for you. So I'm here with Shammia, one of the final year students at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. And I want you to tell me, Shammia, about you call this an installation as well?
Yes.
Tell me about your installation. What's the theme and just tell me about it.
Okay, so my theme for my final year is architecture as an indicator of personal and societal growth. So in explaining or carrying through the growth, and I chose to use Adinkra symbols because I feel like I resonate with the African likeness, and yes, precisely. So one main symbol I used is the Nekinkin that's on this wall, which means versatility and adaptability. So for this particular piece, it is supposed to mimic like a floor plan or a blueprint. So this is like the blueprint of the mind and how one thinks or goes through the process of getting to know yourself or getting through life or the life journey. So as you can see, it's actually a maze in the blueprint. So there are it's like 3 different levels on the plyboard, the 1-inch tile, and then there's a 1 inch, half inch, and then there's a 1 inch. So
that's actually
plyboard and 3 different layers of ceramic tiles glued.
Cool. What's that symbol? What you say that symbol is?
The symbol is a Nikinkin. It's an Adinkra symbol, which means versatility and adaptability.
All right, so tell me about this one right here.
So this is my version of a totem pole. A totem pole is usually an embodiment of who you are, what you represent. And these particular symbols are also Adinkra symbols. This one means nurturing. This one is learn from mistakes, hope, learn from mistakes, hope, strength, and God's supremacy. So this particular one is significant to me because, or I'd say significant because in everything I do, I put God first. So there's that aspect of my life, and in growing and getting to know yourself, you have to learn from your mistakes. You have to go through. So each thing is like a representation of how I get to where I want to go. This is basically a reflection of the installation on that side with the hanging tiles. So it's the same symbols, but just same concept, but in a different way. So this is a totem pole, and these are like wind chimes. What I wanted to explore is the whole, what we know ceramic tiles to be is things that are mounted on the wall or on the floor. I wanted to explore hanging them or but I plan to explore more to see what else I can achieve, because as you can see, there's a whole mural here. It's all tiles and it's not glazed or anything. So usually ceramic tiles, you have pictures, you have colors. This has no color, it's just plain terracotta, and the darker color that you see it's just vitrified or fired to a higher temperature or longer, so it's not necessarily burnt but vitrified differently, so it gives like a darker tone than the other.
Saw 2 other pieces here. What does that one mean?
These 2 are connected to the versatility symbol. So in finding out or getting to know yourself as a person, one for the first step is the egg. What it basically has, it's the symbol engraved into it, but you can't really see it, but there's the essence of it in there. So like the same movement, same curve, same, and the legs there to supposed to represent it. So what is supposed to represent is you have certain talents that you are born with, but you don't really see them until you kind of get to explore. So this is like the other stage where you kind of see the symbol coming out. It's not fully there, but you have it coming into play. Yeah.
How can somebody who wants to work with you get in contact with you?
You can email me at readshammia@gmail.com. I have an Instagram, Mimi Sham. It's Mimi MII_Sham. Or you can just type my name in Shammia and I'll pop up. If you Google me, you'll find me. You get my LinkedIn. My contact number is 876-599-2559, and yeah, we'll handle business from there.
Thank you so much, Shammia. I love your work and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
The School of Visual Arts Final Year Exhibition celebrates the remarkable talent and achievements of the next generation of artists. This event represents the culmination of years of hard work, growth, and artistic exploration. It serves as a testament to the boundless potential of the students at the Edna Manley College and their ability to create art that resonates deeply with the world. Don't miss out on this extraordinary visual feast. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes, where we will introduce you to more exceptional student exhibitors, their captivating projects, and the stories that fuel their creative vision. Prepare to be captivated, moved, and inspired by the School of Visual Arts Final Year Exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you're interested in coming to see the exhibition, it goes straight up until June 29, so you need to check it out. All right, thanks again for watching another Yaad Events. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next Yaad event. One love.